Alice Chang, and today we're interviewing Stacey Matsuda, who is from Southern California, but went to school and got her PharmD at University of Colorado and is now in San Francisco. Stacey, can you tell us about what a PharmD is and how that works?
Yeah, so a PharmD is a doctorate of pharmacy. So basically, like, you do your undergrad and then you go to grad school to become a pharmacist, and it's 4 years. Well, depending on the school, it can be 3 to 4 years, and then you graduate with a doctorate degree.
Wow. Okay. And what do pharmacists do? I mean, like, I only know about pharmacists that work at a Walgreens or CVS.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so a lot of pharmacists do work outpatient, which is at Walgreens or CVS, and most people know about those pharmacists, but there's actually a lot of different fields that pharmacists can go into. The most popular is probably hospital, so in the inpatient setting, and basically the job of a pharmacist is just to make sure that all of our patients are getting the correct therapy for the correct diagnosis at the right dose, just making sure that they're safe, making sure they have no severe side effects.
And so what were your experiences coming out of school? Did you work in a more clinical setting?
So during school I worked in pediatrics for 3 years in a children's hospital, and then after I graduated last year I came to San Francisco to work inpatient again, both adult and pediatric.
I've heard a bunch of things about different careers in health tech and biotech, and is that somewhere a pharmacist could go?
Absolutely. So there's a ton of different routes that pharmacists can go after they graduate. Besides the ones that I told you, another big area is biotech. So a lot of the big biotech companies out here in San Francisco is a great opportunity for pharmacists. We can do anything from managing drug safety of the new drugs being developed to clinical trials. You can be a person that goes out into the community and educates about the new drugs in development. So that's a really exciting field. And then another up-and-coming field is actually health tech, which is getting pretty big here in San Francisco. A lot of the tech companies are actually trying to develop new products or apps that just make it easier for patients to understand their healthcare, get easier access. So that's another place where we can play a role. And
that's really neat. I had no idea pharmacists could do all of those things. Is that somewhere you're looking to transition to?
Yeah, I think that's I think it's an exciting opportunity, so definitely looking to transition into that and being a part of this new up-and-coming field.
Yeah, thanks for telling us about that. I had no idea, and I bet a lot of people in pharmacy school don't really know about all the career paths that they can have after school.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey Stacey, what's this?
Oh, this is a picture of ice cream.
Do you like ice cream?
I love ice cream.
What else do you like doing?
Well, when I'm not eating ice cream, I have to work it off somehow, so I love doing yoga.
You told me that you're really into yoga?
Yes.
So do you do that, do you teach around the city, or do you just do it for fun?
It started for fun, so I started doing yoga 2 years ago in Colorado. And then I came here and decided I wanted to get further in my practice, so I did the teacher training program at Core Power, and now I teach at Core Power.
Well, I don't know anything about yoga.
So I'll show you a couple of typical yoga poses, and they totally look good on Instagram if you want to do that.
Perfect.
So the first one's going to be tree pose.
Okay.
So what you do is let's start on our left leg, so kind of balance your weight on there, and then you're going to, with your right leg, kind of put it either on your shin or your upper thigh if you can get it up there.
Not
just
that high.
Yeah. Just avoid the pushing on your kneecap.
Okay.
So it kind of takes some balancing practice here. And your hand start center.
Okay. Whoops.
And then if you want to get really fancy, you can grow out your branches like this.
Oh, nice.
And once you get that down, you can totally take a cool sunset picture with this and post it online. Make all your friends jealous.
Okay. Still doing it? Good. How do you stay balanced? Is there like a secret to that, or is it just...
A lot of it is core strength, so just engaging.
Okay.
That's really all it is. Once you learn how to just engage your core, you find that balance is really easy.
Okay. All right. I'll have to practice that. Okay.
And then the last one that a lot of people do is called dancer's pose. So
Okay.
it's probably the one you see on Facebook and Instagram all the time. And this is another balancing one. So we'll start with our standing on our right leg, and then you're going to kind of like high five the camera. And then with your left hand, kind of put your elbow at your hip, and then grab onto your left foot.
Okay.
So this is kind of the first step, and then once you balance here, you can start leaning forward.
Okay.
Good job.
Instagram ready.
ready. Instagram ready.
PhDizzle.
Having fun with smart people who do cool things.